kailangan mo ng logo or custom images para sa social media post ng food negosyo mo. Madali lang yan. Libre at instant pa sa tulong ni Dall-E. Panoorin ang video na to kung papaano. First step is to search for Dall-E and tap the login button. Kung wala pang account, mag-create po muna. Kung may account na, just enter your email address. And then, tap the I'm not a robot box. Ipaprompt ka niya ng mga images kung saan isi-select mo yung hinahanap niya. In this case, itap mo yung squares na inoccupy ng bus image. Then tap verify and then continue. And then enter your password. So ganun lang kadali. Hintay mo lang siya na ipakita yung prompt screen kung saan itatype mo yung description ng image na gusto mong i-generate ni Dall-E. Now is the time to type the detailed description of the image that you want to generate. So in this case, I want Dall-E to generate an image of a family of 3 kids, 1 boy, 2 girls, with their lovely parents eating some burgers in their kitchen. Tap generate and wait for the images to get displayed. Ayan, so these are the images that Dall-E created using images from its library. So you can now save one of them and then use it in your design project. Now let's ask Dall-E to create the same image, but this time make it a cartoon. So I just copied the previous description and type additional description and tap generate again, then wait for the images to show up. Again, you can save an image and use it in your social media sites or in your presentations. Ganun lang kadali mag-create ng images sa Dall-E at malaking tulong ito sa marketing ng iyong food negosyo. Easy yarn! Ano? Try mo na ang Dall-E site kasosyo. Bilis! Go to https://lovesopenai.com and create an account, then follow the steps in this video. Easy yarn!